So in this video, we'll be learning how to, so here, digit sum method to check the accuracy of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So digit sum method. So it will be a digit sum method. So suppose we have to do some addition problem, and we'll be checking how we can check. So suppose here, if it is 357 plus 489. So here we'll be doing this. So here it will be, so 3 plus 4 is 7. Next number is, we remember this is so carry number. So this 7 will become 8. And now 8 plus 5 is 13. So it is, the end number of 13 is 3. So now next number is also carry number. So here it will be 13 will become 14. So we'll be writing 4. And now 9 plus 7 is 16. So we'll be writing 6. So this is my number. So let's check. So we'll be checking whether it is correct or not. So let's see here. So we'll be making one circle. We'll be making one circle and we'll be checking whether it is correct or not. So let's see here. So for that, we'll be putting a line. And now, so 3 plus 5 plus 7. So 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 means what? 1 plus 5 is 6. And now 4 plus 8 plus 9. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 means 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have to get the answer 9. Let's see here. So 8 plus 4 plus 6. So 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 6 is 18. So 18, 1 plus 8 is 18. So here it is 9. So you can see that these two are correct, because this is also coming, it should come 9 and it is coming 9. So it means this calculation is right. So let's see one more example. So here we'll be seeing one more example. Let's see here. Suppose here 5975 plus 8469. Suppose this is there. So 8 plus 5 is 13, but next number is a carry number. So this 13 will become 14. 9 plus 4 is 13, but next number, so next number is a carry number. So 3 will become 4. And now 7 plus 4 is 13. So 13, next number is again a carry number. So this 13 will become 4. So here it is 4. And now 9 plus 5 is 14. So 14, it will be 4. So now we can check whether it is correct or not. So let's see here. We'll be making one circle. And now, so let's see here. We'll be dividing this into two parts. Let's see here. Straight line we are using from here. So suppose here, this is one line and this is one line. Suppose. So here now, so 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 7 is 21 plus 5 is 26. So 26, so 26 means 2 plus 6, 8. And now you see here, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So 27 is there, means 2 plus 7 is 9. So 8 plus 9 is, so 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is there. So 17 means what? 8 should be. My answer should be 8. Let's see here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17. 17. So 1 plus 7 is there. This is coming 8. So this is correct. So you can see that this is correct. So we have seen addition. Now we'll be seeing subtraction. So let's see here subtraction. Suppose here if it is 5, 1, 2 minus 384. Suppose, so this is there. So 5 minus 3 is 2. As this is, so this is a match. So what happens? So this is going to be, so 5 plus 3 is 2, but this is mismatch. So here this will become 1. And now when we are talking about mismatch, so here it will be 2. Complement of 8 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is also mismatch. So here it will become 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, but 1 will be subtracted. So it is 2. And now here the complement of 4 is 6. So now 2 plus 6 is 8. So 128 is my answer. Let's see here whether it is correct or not. Let's see here. So we'll be checking whether it is correct or not. So let's see here. Suppose now we'll be checking subtraction, whether subtraction is correct or not. So here 5 plus 1 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So we'll be seeing that it is 8. This is 8. Now 3 plus 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 means 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. My answer. So this is subtraction. So it should be 8 minus 6 is 2. My answer should be 2. Let's see here. So 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 8. This is 8 plus 2. So 11. 11 means 1 plus 1, it is 2. So answer is correct. Let's see here. Next sum. So 4 digit it is. So 4, 1, 2, 5. Here you can say 2, 3, 9, 7. So this will be how much? So now 4 minus 2 is 2. So we'll be making it 1. So now this is mismatch. So here it will be, we are writing, so 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. But this is a mismatch. So here it will be 7 only. And now here it is complement is this. So now 2 plus 1 is 3. So this next is mismatch. So this will become 2. And now here it is 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 1728 is there. Let's see whether it is correct or not. So let's see here. So will be, this is there. This is there. So 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 is there. It means what? So 12 is 1 plus 2 is 3. And here you can see that 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 means what? 21 means 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So it should be 0 or 9. This is the condition. If it is 0 or 9. So whatever it is coming, whether it is coming 0 or 9, because whenever if it is 0 or it is negative number, so we always add 9. So it can be 9 or 0, whatever. So let's see here. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 8. 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18. So 18 means 9. So 9 is there. So this is correct. This is correct. So let's see for multiplication. So multiplication, suppose here we have to multiply. Let's see, suppose here it is 13 and 15. Suppose 13 and 15 we have to do. This is very easy. Let's see here. So this will be how much? 13 plus 5 is 18. And this side 3 into 5 is 15. So 2-digit number is there. So here 1 will be coming. So it is 19 and this is 5. 195 is my answer. Let's see here whether it is correct or not. So we'll be checking. So for that, let's see here. This is there and this is there. So now what will happen? So this is 13. 13 means 4. 13 means 4. So let's see here. So this is 13 means 4 and 15 means 6. So 4 into 6 is 24. 24 means 2 plus 4 is 6. So this answer is coming 6. Let's see here what will happen. 1 plus 9 plus 5. So here it is 10 plus 5, 15. So it is coming 15. 15 means 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is correct. This is correct. Let's see here. Let's see how to see the 3-digit number. Suppose here 108 is there and this is 105. Let's see here using Vedic mathematics we can. So here 108 plus 5 is 113 and this side it will 8 into 5 and that is 40. So I can say that it is 11340. Now let's see whether this answer is correct or not. So now let's see. So what will happen? This is let's see here 108 is 9. I can see that it is 9 and here 105 is 6. So 9 6 are 54. So 54 is there. 5 plus 4 is 9. And now let's see here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0. So 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 is there and 9 is coming. So this is also correct. Let's see. Last thing is division. Now I have to do any division. So let's see here. Suppose 625 divide by 9 is there. So divide by 9 is there. So how will I do? Let's see here. 625. Here niculum of 9 is 1. So as there is 1 digit, so here will be 9 and 1 by 1 digit will be coming. So 6 is there. So 6 into 1 is 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And here 8 1 are 8. So 8 will be added here. So now 8 plus 5 is 13, which is more than 9. My divisor. It cannot be more than or equal to divisor. So I will be subtracting times 1. Times 1, it will be subtracted. So it is 9 is subtracted. So it is 4. So 4 is my remainder. And as I have subtracted, so 1 time, so 1 will be added here. So it is 69. So you can say that quotient is 69 and remainder is 4. Let's check here. So as we know, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is formula. So now you can see that LHS, this is LHS. So LHS will be how much? 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 means what? 1 plus 3 is there, 4. So and now let's check RHS. So RHS will be what? So divisor is 9 into quotient is 69 plus 4. So now you can say that 9. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 means 6. 15 means 1 plus 5 is 6. So 9 into 6. So 9 6 is 54 plus. So 54 plus 4 is there. So 58 is there. So 58. 58 means 5 plus 8 is 13, and 13 means 4. You can say 4 is here also, LHS is 4 and RHS is also 4. So it means this is correct. Let's see last sum, one more sum, and that is, suppose here 821 divided by 8. Suppose I have to do this 8. So here 821 is there. 8 Nicolum of 8 is 2. So now you see here. So this is coming down. 8 is coming down. So 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. So 16 will be added here. So 2 plus 16 is 18. So 18 to the 36. Now it is 37. So we have to come closer and we have to make sure that it is smaller than that. So here times 4, 8 4 ja 32 is subtracted. So it is 5. So remainder is 5. And now this need to be adjusted because 2 digit is not allowed. So here it is 9898 and 4 will be added here because we have subtracted that. So it is 102. So you can say that quotient is 102 and remainder is 5. Let's check him. So checking. So LHS will be 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 2. It should be, answer should be 2. Let's see here. So RHS will be how much? So RHS will be, divisor is 8 and quotient is 102 plus 5. So here 8 into 102 means 3 plus 5. So 8 into 3 is 24 plus 5, 29. 29 means here 2 plus 9, that is 11. And 11 means 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is correct. So this means this sum is correct. So I hope by this method, we can check addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So for you, write the answer in, check the calculation. Suppose 921 divided by 8 is there. What is the answer? Write in the comment box. Yeah, answer is, check the answer and find it whether it is correct or not. Thank you. Thank you very much.